Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best makeup organizers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ikee Design Cosmetics and Jewelry Organizer. With this Ikee Design Makeup Organizer, the days of having to scatter your makeup accessories will be over. Like other top organizers, it's made from high-quality acrylic that is revered for strength and reliability. This piece consists of 2 pieces that improve organization and removable black mesh padding for protecting the contents from scratches and dents. The accessory comes with a simple design and opening or closing it isn't a problem. Other than makeup accessories, this set is also ideal for jewelry and cosmetics. Its main advantages are a simple design, completely removable drawers, and smooth sliding drawers, cute, clean and durable. The main disadvantage is that it's not very big. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Sorbus Makeup Cosmetics and Jewelry Organizer. Also from the Sorbus brand is this makeup organizer. It's made from premium acrylic for longevity and good protection and comes in clear form for quick and easy access. It consists of 4 large drawers for the large items and 2 smaller ones for the small pieces. The sleek and stylish accessory boasts of a diamond exterior that augments the decor on the bedroom or bathroom, while the practical and well-designed drawers improve functionality. Consumers love this organizer because of its durability, quality construction, proper organization, and resistance to chips and cracks. Many, however, complain about its description, which may be a bit confusing. At number 3, we have the Homeit Clear Makeup Organizer. This Homeit makeup organizer is perfect for the home and can be placed in the bedroom or near the bathroom. It's crafted from high-quality acrylic and should offer good holding and protection to your liner, lip gloss, eyeliners, mascara, jewelry and much more. The clear material gives better visibility and improves the time taken to find an item, while the smooth opening drawers enhance the convenience. It features 3 large drawers that can accommodate large accessories. The removable liner protects the items from scratches and unnecessary banging. The key advantages of this unit are impact resistance, high transparency, stronger than glass, and good protection. The disadvantage is that the acrylic can be scratched or damaged by sharp or pointed objects. At number 2, we have the Sorbus Cosmetics Makeup Organizer. The Sorbus brand is undoubtedly among the most famous in regard to makeup and cosmetic organizers. This acrylic piece is one of its top products and should help you organize your makeup accessories better and more conveniently. It comes in an 8-in-1 styling for accommodating different sizes and can also be interchanged for convenience. The clear design allows you to identify what you want before opening, and this not only saves time but effort as well. The key advantages of this organizer are sturdy construction, versatility, easy to interchange the drawers, professional look and easy to clean. A few consumers have complained that it isn't very clear but rather opaque. And finally, at number 1, we have the STORi Large Capacity Makeup Organizer. Measuring 12-3/8 lx 6-7/8 wx 6 inches, this makeup organizer can be described as large. It features multiple compartments for holding different makeup accessories and is suitable for cosmetics and jewelry. This set is made from quality and clear plastic and looks good on any location, whether home, beauty center or salon. The large compartments are suitable for bigger items, while the 2 smaller ones are designed for smaller items. Its positives are large capacity, easy to clean, sturdy, and great look. The negative is its fairly large size, which can be an issue in a small space. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.